What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And it was necessary for me to make this video because it seems I keep getting the same complaints over and over and over about Milwaukee SHOCKWAVE. And I said to myself, how can this be? There have been major improvements, matter of fact, 3 major improvements on SHOCKWAVE bit kits. It seems like you don't know about. I'm gonna tell you, you're going to find out about them right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. You wanna help out with the channel? Head on over to the merch store. You can get hats, hoodies, t-shirt. Link will be in the description below. It's the cat's meow. You know, one thing that Milwaukee is really great at doing is building their brand. If you see something, it doesn't even matter if it has the Milwaukee logo on it. It's almost on cue. You can see something and go, that's Milwaukee. Like if we played the shell game based on stuff that was turned down like this, I think almost everybody would say, yeah, it's a Milwaukee bit kit, or that's a Milwaukee bit kit. But some of these bit kits actually do have differences. Like this generation is newer than this generation. Have you ever noticed on some of these older generation kits, it has this 1/4-20 little captured nut in there so you can screw accessories into the bit kit. It could be useful, but I will say this, it wasn't useful enough for Milwaukee to keep it on newer generations, especially this generation. I really didn't have any major complaints with Milwaukee SHOCKWAVE bit cases. I like them. Matter of fact, these are some of my favorite drill and driver accessories. If you're using a drill or using a driver, there's like almost no good reason not to use some form of Milwaukee drill or bit set. I will tell you this much though, I did have a major complaint about Milwaukee's driver bit sets that included 2-inch and longer bits in them. But guess what? Milwaukee actually addressed those issues in this video here. When it comes to these next generation SHOCKWAVE driver and drill bit sets, these are a much needed upgrade over these kits. Now, this would be a great time for all of you to go down to the comment section and actually leave if you know the first gripe so many people have about this previous generation of SHOCKWAVE bit sets. A lot of people really disliked the retention in the bit holders for the driver and drill bits. So much that people used to say that when they would pull out the drill bits, they would get cuts on the little fingers. Oh, my digits got cut pulling out them very sharp drill bits from Milwaukee. Oh, y'all killing me with this. I can't pull those bits out. Like they're unbelievably hard to get out. This one really fighting me. It don't want to come out. It's like a clam down in the sand. So that was the #1 first gripe on our list of the top 3 improvements to Milwaukee SHOCKWAVE that you're unaware of. You wanna know why I know you're all unaware of it? Well, I know you're not. You're in the know. You though. The first thing that always shows up as a gripe is, can they please fix the bit retention on their driver and bit sets? And I'm like, they did that months ago. Where you been? Here it is, the big difference. Like single finger operation, boom. You're not gonna be cutting your fingers anymore. Look at it. Okay, you're gonna pop them in, you're gonna turn them down. Boom, so improved, so much easier. Look, even the ones way here in the back, tilt it forward, lift it up and out. Let's move into #2. Previously, the only real organization you had with these driver bit sets from Milwaukee Tool was they kind of indexed into one another using these tabs. There was no real standard for these bit sets to hold them. Milwaukee has changed that. What they're doing is when they create a product or release a product, they want to know that that product fits into an ecosystem in another subcategory of their platform. Well, previously, you really couldn't. Even if you had these organizer boxes before, if you were to put them in here, like there was like dead space on the left and the right. If you had the wider full-size boxes, like that would equate into wasted inches of storage space. You could only fit 2 of these boxes in here. So what has Milwaukee Tool done to optimize the storage space in their Packout boxes? They have made it so these SHOCKWAVE bit sets are now fully compatible with your Milwaukee Packout. You can put 3 of these boxes in the half-size organizer case. If you had the deep organizer, you could fit 6. If you had the full-size deep, you could fit like 12 of these boxes. But as you can see, they're building a system, an ecosystem. But wait, there's more. This is not a new feature, but it is a feature. And the feature is that these boxes can be customized. Like once you're done with these boxes, these cases, you don't have to throw them away. Or you don't even have to take these rails out and like use them for oscillating multi-tool blades. Like that's what I've done in the past. See all these perfectly organized in here? These great for like organization of oscillating multi-tool blades or jigsaw blades or whatever you're using. Now you can use these kits and customize them for what you need. Maybe you prefer 2-inch bits. You wanted to buy a whole bunch of 2-inch bits in bulk. So you needed extra space inside these rails. All you're gonna do is tilt this up and then pull it out. And then you have more space for 2-inch bits. You can move the rails as you need them. These are fully customizable boxes. And I like that. You're gonna pop it back in. To help you with the process, you're gonna see it's alphabetized. It has the alphabet on the inside of the box, right? So let's just say we wanted to drop it down in the old G ski, right? What we're gonna do is we're gonna come on over here to between F and G. We're gonna pop this in here. Boom, we're back to business. Fully customizable, fully customizable. Boom, rotates up, rotates down. It's modular. Let's move on to number 3. This is one I don't love because it actually is going to affect some of my friends in the 3D printing community. In case you're unaware, you can go to this video here where we found a super cool accessory. Here it is. So I went online, found a side saddle for my M12 Fuel impact driver because I wanted to have more of the bits that I needed accessible when I needed them. And I liked this solution. Milwaukee Tool liked it too, so much so that they were like, hey Vince, that's not necessary anymore. I was like, Milwaukee Tool, what are you talking about? What do you mean it's not necessary? And this is what they told me. Let's just say you're gonna be using all Phillips for the day. Get Phillips on the phone. We need them right now. We're gonna need Phillips. Okay, you're gonna tilt it up. We're gonna pop this out. See these little mounting points here at the back? Watch the beauty of this. I'm gonna get my existing drill bit. I'm gonna pop out that screw. You're going to keep the screw, make sure you don't lose it. You're gonna take off your belt clip, okay? And then you're able to pop out one of those bits, take your screw, and boom. Mind blown, right? You love it. Now you got your own side saddle included in your SHOCKWAVE driver bit set. No extra money. You don't have to go online, order 3D printing. Will it work with my drill? Won't it work with my drill? It will work with your drill Look at that. Now, some of you are gonna go, hey Vince, listen, like, I need my belt clip. Okay, no big deal. All you're gonna do is you would pop off the bit holder from the other side, use the screw on that side to mount your bit holder, leave your belt clip in place. You got the best of both worlds. And if you like having the best of both worlds, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do, doesn't cost you a dime. You'll get 7 years of good luck. Listen, everybody, I appreciate you spending some time with me here today. I hope you are newly informed and you actually would consider buying Milwaukee Shockwave. I know sometimes people are like, once bitten, twice shy, baby. But now I'm telling you that the shark is gone. You don't have to worry about it being bit again, because the problems are solved. I know you don't want the video to end, but you can be excited because there's going to be another Milwaukee Tool, a cheap solution to Shockwave driver bits that you didn't even know were probably happening or is possible, because Milwaukee seems to make the impossible happen. See you on the next one. Oh my God, I've been talking about these drill bit improvements for so long that the cat's now full grown. Oh, but thanks for sticking around. Make sure you're subscribed and tapping the bell so you never miss another video like this one ever again. Thank you for your help.